Hello friends, today we are making an experiment. Its name is water fireworks. So for that the equipments are a tall glass, measuring cylinder, stirring stick, water, a cup, baby oil or cooking oil. Then I have two colors. You can even take more. I have taken blue color and yellow color. So let's begin. So I'm taking other materials aside. I don't need it right now for the beginning. I don't need it for the beginning. Like this. I'm taking it aside. So now in this measuring cylinder I'm gonna add 10 ml of cooking oil. Like this. I'm added 10 ml of cooking oil here. Like this. Now I'm pouring this in this cup. Like this. Now I'm taking this yellow color and I'm adding 3 to 4 drops in this oil. Like this, I'm adding it. Now I have blue color. So I'm adding blue color in this oil. The same oil. I'm adding the same oil 3 to 4 drops. You can even add more colors. Now in this tall glass, remember we don't have to mix this. Okay. So now in this tall glass, I'm gonna add water. We need water. We have to leave here the water I have filled up. Now in this I'm going to add this oil. This oil layer. I'm going to add this. Like this. You can see the fireworks. It is leaving the blue color and the green color are mixing below. So it has turned into green. So in this experiment, what we observed that the food colors will start to slowly fall down into the water like fireworks. And the science behind this is the oil layer prevents the color from mixing with water all at once. This is because oil and water do not mix. I have added this. Now it will not work so fast. It will work really slowly. The fireworks will start really slowly. If you observe it carefully, then the drops of water are dripping down. The drops of water are dripping down like this. We can see the drops of those colors, the oil layers are coming down slowly like that. We can see that. The oil layer is not mixing with the water. We can see that. But the colors are slowly going down. We can see the colors are dripping down. The fireworks have started. We can see that. Those fireworks are going in a circular form. Slowly deep down. The oil layer is still not mixing with the water because oil and water are two different chemicals which do not mix. If you observe it carefully and try it at home, you will observe it more carefully and neatly. It looks so beautiful. We can see those drops of those colors which we have mixed in the water are slowly decreasing. We can see them on the top. that the drops of the color are slowly decreasing, and these drops of water are working as fireworks in the below water. We can still see the fireworks